with Ozzy from HPP Racing. And what kind of car are we driving in today?
This one's a 2017 Z06. It's a C7 Z06, and it's got an F1X. It makes about 1,040 horsepower. I'm not gonna go too crazy on you, but we don't want to go to jail right now. But it is a new Z06, so it's. But it's the one we're gonna run this weekend at no prep in the daily driver street car class. Is that okay right there?
Yeah, that's a fast car.
It handles pretty well, so whenever you're going, these cars are set up. I mean, these Corvettes, they're with their independent suspension and everything, they hook up pretty well. As you can see there, I gave it probably about half to 3/4 throttle.
What do you think like the top speed is on this?
The fastest we've had it, I think, was 198, but it still had more pull in it.
Yeah.
It's an automatic. But
This is your personal car?
no.
No. Just a racing.
Not really. He drives it every day on the street. It's got like 17,000 miles. He bought it, I think, with like 2,000 miles, so he drives it all the time. It's a customer of ours. So he wants us to race it. He thought Chuck Sightsinger and a few of them were going to bring their Corvettes that make like 1,000 horsepower, about the same range, and they wanted me to race it at the daily driver.
But your shop does all the work on this car?
Yeah, we do all these cars. We do Camaros, these Corvettes, Mustangs. A bunch of Mustangs over there right now. This one, like we said, most of the people with these Corvettes, what they want to do, you can put turbo kits, you can put that, but the most effective way, and the way we do them mostly, is with a Pro Charger. That's what this has, the Pro Charger. It has a meth kit on it. Basically, the meth kit is just, it helps it not get lean, and you can give it a little more power. On this one, we got a flex fuel sensor as well, so you put E85 and you put 93 octane. It'll mix it together, and it gives it a certain percentage. So if it makes, so let's say you have more E85 in it, and it has more percentage of methanol in it,
Yeah.
it'll basically give you more timing, so the car will make more power. But if you don't have access to E85 and you can only get 93 at the gas station, and it has less E85, and it'll cut timing, so it'll be a little bit slower because it has a little bit less timing.
That makes sense.
Now, the Mickey Thompson drag radio, that's why it hooks up so well. This weekend we're gonna, for the daily driver, they won't let us use those tires though, so we're gonna have to use. Yeah, we can only use a 200 tread wear, so that's going to be interesting. The traction control on these Corvettes, though, it's pretty damn good. It's not like traction control back in the day. It'll spin a little bit, you'll see the light come on, but you can keep going without even going sideways. Yeah, it'll tail out a little bit. And I don't know, because we're going to put the tires for the first time. Falcon claims that they're badass tires and they're going to hook up. So if that's the case. I mean, this car might be funner than that Lambo. I don't know, you were there for the Lambo?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the Lambo was fun, but this is definitely going to be way faster. The Lambo, I think, made about 780 horsepower. It was all-wheel drive, but you could turn it down. This one's just rear-wheel drive. I'm hoping that even if the Lambo could take off a little bit quicker, with the engine in the back,
Yeah.
I'm thinking with this, it just will outmuscle. So just go by. We don't have much room, but we'll at about 171. It's not even very hot at all. He cruises it in traffic, he cruises it everywhere. But most people, once they get the Pro Charger on, they get all the stuff on it, they're not
worried about miles per gallon as much.
And whoever buys the Vette is really not going after, but they're quite efficient. People would be shocked for a car with that much power. You know, even like the Mustang you guys just came in, those cars, you know, all these new cars are getting easily 20 miles.
Better, yeah.
It's the transmission. Some of them have 8-speed transmissions, some have 10-speed transmissions. So it helps a lot. This is why it shifts so fast and it picks up so quick and it goes right through the gears.
Makes sense.
So at about 1,000 horsepower, is that the first time you've been in a 1,000 horsepower car? That's to the wheels as well. So that's at the dyno. So really, you would look, you lose probably, you know, everybody has a different story on it, but usually around, I'd say like a rule of thumb, I would say about 20%. So really, you're at about 1,200 horsepower car. Oh, there's Pepper. He's looking for a Porsche. So I'm really excited about this week and see what this does, you know. Hopefully I don't disappoint the customer and lose.
Oh yeah, for sure. Well, it's pretty cool that he's just like, yeah, I want you to race.
Yeah, but just like the Lambo guy, he was just like, man, if you lose, it's going to suck. I'm going to really be disappointed. It's like, man, I can't guarantee anything.
Yeah,
you know. Exactly. I hope we do well, but
win or lose is a proven winner.
And one last hit before shop. I had to do that for myself.
Yeah, that was Ozzy testing for the daily driver class. Yeah.
All right, let's go do a burnout.
Let's go do a burnout.
I love this car, and I won't be able to drive it again until Saturday because they don't let us test. So there'll be no testing.
Yeah.
But I think it's pretty easy to drive. I think anybody could just fast though.
Oh, I don't know about that. You hit like 75 and the whole car starts shaking.
So you need a big tailwind like a hurricane to push you a little faster and you can hit 150.
I don't know if that car can hit 150.
I don't know if I'd want to be in it, but...
The New York winter, I had to put like bags of sand in the back.
Did you really?
Because the car was so light. It would just, like,
Because of
fly
the
off
ice?
road.